What the fuck?
Issued at 5:58 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Medford has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Siskiyou County in Northern California until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Jones, or 12 miles southwest of Wairika, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Jones. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 97 serving the Klamath Basin of Oregon and California. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Medford. Issued at 5:50.